There comes a time when every business owner must decide what comes next for the legacy they've built. This is a moment that requires insight, discretion, and not only just expert New Hampshire business brokers, but also partners who understand both the numbers and the people behind them. With deep, hands-on experience and hundreds of successful transactions, First Street Business Brokers assists business owners across New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Maine. As New Hampshire business brokers, they emphasize confidentiality, ensuring that every conversation and transaction is handled with precision and respect. Led by Hank Beresin and Bill Stewart, alongside Director of Business Brokerage Greg Carroll, the team combines transactional experience with real-world business ownership insight. As New Hampshire business brokers, they provide comprehensive support from valuation through closing, managing marketing, negotiations, and due diligence with clarity and discretion. Partnering with established New Hampshire business brokers means gaining an ally committed to your goals and our local community's growth. Let their experience become your strategic advantage by calling 603-501-3294 and visit firststreetbusinessbrokers.com.